HP EliteBook Ultra G1i Wolf Pro Security Edition, the laptop that made me delete my MacBook. You're halfway through a client presentation, the fan is roaring like a hairdryer, your face looks orange on camera, and the battery warning pops up at 9%. Meanwhile, you're praying nobody on this airport Wi-Fi is sniffing your traffic because last month's laptop got hit with ransomware. You've got 38 Slack channels blowing up, Photoshop is choking, Excel is thinking about life, and you still have to jump on a 4 p.m. Teams call where you need to look sharp. You're paying premium money for a device that embarrasses you daily and quietly puts your career at risk. That's not a laptop problem anymore. That's a you problem because you keep accepting it. Every single day, you lose hours to spinning wheels, forced reboots, and let me plug in real quick moments that kill your flow and make you look second-rate. Every grainy webcam call chips away at your personal brand. Every time you connect to sketchy networks, you're rolling the dice with client data, your reputation, and potentially your job. You're exhausted from carrying a charger everywhere, tired of sounding like you're calling from a wind tunnel, sick of devices that promise the world in ads and then choke when you actually need them. Worst part? Deep down, you know you're capable of so much more, but your tools are actively holding you hostage, and nobody around you even notices how much it's costing you in confidence, money, and sanity. Everything flipped the moment the HP EliteBook Ultra G1i 14-inch notebook next-gen AI PC Wolf Pro Security Edition showed up. This machine is built like it actually understands what real work feels like in 2025. Intel Core Ultra 7 258V with dedicated NPU that obliterates AI tasks locally. 32 gigs of screaming fast LPDDR5 XRAM that never breaks a sweat. Stunning 2.8K 2880 by 1800 display that makes everything look expensive. Full Wolf Pro security suite with self-healing BIOS, AI malware protection, micro-virtualization, and hardware-enforced isolation. 9-megapixel AI camera with auto-framing, eye contact correction, perfect background blur, and lighting fix. Battery that legitimately lasts 12 to 14 hours under heavy load. Whisper quiet operation even when you're crushing it. Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, MIL STD810H military-grade chassis under 1.4 kilograms, and Windows 11 Pro optimized to use every drop of that NPU power. It's not another laptop. It's the first one that finally feels like it's on your team instead of against you. I handed mine to Jessica, our senior consultant who lives on planes. She came back 2 weeks later and said, I did a full 14-hour travel day, 4 flights, client dinner presentation, red-eye home, and landed with 28% battery left while running dual 4K external monitors part of the time. Another teammate, Mark, runs massive Power BI dashboards that used to make his old Dell cry. Now they load in seconds, and the fans never even spin up. The Wolf security layer already blocked a drive-by attack silently in the background. Our IT dashboard lit up, threat contained, Mark never even knew it happened. Video calls are actually enjoyable now. The camera makes you look like you paid a lighting guy, and the poly-tuned speakers plus AI noise removal mean construction next door disappears completely. The keyboard is the best I've ever typed on. The trackpad is huge and flawless, and the entire machine just feels expensive in the way that makes clients subconsciously trust you more. It's the first laptop where everything just works all day without you ever having to think about it. If you're done wasting your life on mediocre machines that hold you back, go click the link in the description right now and get the HP EliteBook Ultra G1i Wolf Pro Security Edition with the 32 gigs 2.8K config while HP is still running the launch pricing. I'm telling you, this thing is so good, I bought one for myself and one for my brother. Click the link, lock it in today, and in 3 days you'll be sitting there at 7 p.m. with battery still left, wondering why you suffered for so long. Do it. You deserve this.